to my video. Today, I'm going to review a movie that I recently watched, and the movie is Lilo and Stitch. As you can see from the title, Lilo and Stitch is Disney News live-action movie released in 2025. I was really excited to watch this movie because I loved the animated person when I was younger. So today, I would like to share my thought and opinion about the movie. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the movie itself. Lilo and Stitch is a family, comedy, adventure, and science fiction movie. The movie takes place in Hawaii and tells a heartwarming story about friendship, family, acceptance, and love. This movie is a live-action adaptation of Disney animated movie that was first released in 2002. Because of its entertaining story and meaningful message, this movie can be enjoyed by both children and adults. One thing that makes this movie special is the balance between comedy and action. There are many funny scenes that make the audience laugh, but there are also emotional moments that make the story more meaningful. Now, let's talk about the story. The story follows a young girl named Lilo who lives in Hawaii with her older sister Nani. After losing their parents, Nani worked hard to take care of Lilo and provide a good life for her. However, life is not always easy for them. Lilo often feels lonely and struggles to fit in with other children around her. Because of this, she sometimes feels different from everyone else. Despite the challenge, Lilo remains kind, caring, and true to herself. Meanwhile, far away in outer space, a dangerous experiment escaped and arrived on Earth. This creature is known as Experiment 626. Later, he received the name Stitch. When Lilo first meets Stitch, she believes that he is just a stray dog and decides to adopt him. At first, Stitch causes many problems. He is mischievous, destructive, and always creates chaos wherever he goes. However, as Stitch spends more time with Lilo, he slowly begins to change. Lilo teaches him about kindness, friendship, and caring for others. Their friendship becomes stronger over time and becomes the heart of the movie. I won't explain the ending because I want you to enjoy the movie and discover it for yourself. Now, I would like to share my opinion about the movie. Personally, I really enjoy watching Lilo and Stitch. My favorite character is Stitch. Even though he creates many problems, he is funny, adorable, and entertaining. What makes Stitch interesting is his character development throughout the movie. At the beginning of the story, he only thinks about himself and often causes trouble. However, after meeting Lilo, he slowly learns how to care for other people and understand the meaning of family. I think this change makes him one of the most memorable characters in the movie. I also like Lilo as a character, even though she often feels lonely and different from other children. She never pretends to be someone else. She remains honest and true to herself. I think this is an important lesson because it teaches us to be confident and respect ourselves. Another thing I like about this movie was the Hawaiian setting. The beaches, culture, music, and atmosphere made the movie feel beautiful and enjoyable. The visual effects were also impressive. I especially like the design of Stitch because he looked realistic while still keeping the charm of the original animated character. Besides being entertaining, the movie also teaches several important life lessons. The first lesson is the importance of family. Family members should always support and care for one another, especially during difficult times. The second lesson is acceptance. The movie teaches us not to judge people based on their appearance or mistakes. The third lesson is that everyone deserves a second chance. Even though Stitch makes many mistakes, he is given the opportunity to become a better individual. One of the most famous quotes from this movie is Ohana means family. Family means nobody gets left behind or forgotten. I think this quote perfectly represents the message of the movie. Overall, I think Lilo and Stitch is a wonderful movie. It successfully combines comedy, adventure, emotion, and valuable life lesson. The story is easy to understand, the characters are memorable, and the message is meaningful. If I had to rate this movie, I would give 4 or 5 stars. I highly recommended this movie to children, teenagers, and adults. If you enjoy family movies with positive message and lovable character, I think you will really enjoy this movie. In conclusion, Lilo and Stitch is not only entertaining but also teaches us about friendship, acceptance, responsibility, and the importance of the family. Thank you so much for the watching. See you in the next video. Bye.